Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Qmalikaelise, and if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something that's been trending in the natural hair community that I'm really excited about: rice water. Now, I've watched tons and tons of videos, and I've seen so many people commenting on how the rice water has helped their hair grow so fast and so long. So hopefully, if we stay consistent, we can be one of those people. Rice water actually has all these really yummy things that we're gonna put inside of our hair when we make our rice water rinse. It has amino acids, it has antioxidants, it has vitamin B, vitamin E, protein. It's supposed to help with minimizing shedding, making your hair shiny, bringing back your edges, length retention, and the reason why I'm here: grow your hair. One of my biggest questions when watching all of these rice water tutorials was when to actually apply it. Now, I finally realized there's technically no real routine that works. I would just suggest that you fit it in whichever way works best with your wash day routine. So you can do it on a clean scalp after you've shampooed and conditioned, after you've shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. I don't have 30 minutes to deep condition and 30 minutes to do rice water. You can also do it like me as a pre-poo. Wash it out in the shower when you're doing your shampoo and conditioner. It is a rice water rinse. You don't want to deposit too much protein from that rice. So just remember to wash it out. Don't leave it in overnight. I know how wash day goes. I know it's long. I know it's strenuous. It's made for the strong. But please, that's just a tip for me. Okay, for this recipe, we are going to need some tools, y'all. I have here 1 cup of rice. You can actually use any kind of rice of your choosing. You can use white rice, you can use brown rice, you can use jasmine, you can use Aladdin. Any rice of your choosing should definitely work for this recipe, so it's up to you. You're going to need an essential oil. Now, I've heard this thing gets pretty smelly, so either an essential oil, and I've also heard that orange peels are a high recommendation. We're going to need some water, and we're going to need a strainer. We're gonna close this up, and you want to let it ferment. Now, the longer the better. I would say you can leave it 24 to 48 hours. Hey guys, so it's actually the next morning. The rice water actually got 24 hours to ferment. Now, I want to show you guys, the water is really murky. That's only because all of those nutrients is just now in that water. Again, they say this thing gets stupid stink, okay? So if you did not put any essential oils or orange peels, please comment below and let me know, what does this smell like, okay? Now, I'm not nervous because I did put an essential oil that I have at home. It smells kind of like eucalyptus. Well, it's not repulsive at all, but it's not bad. So again, if you try this without orange peels or any essential oils, please let me know, what does it smell like? So now that we have our fermented rice water, we are gonna strain this out. I'm trying not to make a mess, okay? I'm messy, heavy-handed, clumsy, but I'm not stupid though, okay? And this is our rice water. I'm gonna put this in my misting water bottle spray to help distribute this all over my hair. If you don't have one of these things, I am telling you, this will make all the difference in your life. They say you shouldn't do this treatment more than once a week. I'm going to be as consistent as possible. I'm going to try to do this rice water rinse once a week for at least 2 months to see if I really get any kind of noticeable result. Again, I'm using this as a pre-poo. My hair is filthy. I'm gonna actually apply the rice water first, and then I'm gonna apply my oils because I'm doing a hot oil treatment. And then I'm gonna sit underneath my heating cap for 30 minutes. So because I actually wanna be really, really true to this journey and I wanna share it with you guys, that's why I have this shirt. I'm gonna do it off camera because I'm gonna definitely need some help with the back, but I'm going to do an update video 1 month from now. So that's going to be 4 rice water treatments. If you guys decide to take this journey along with me, please definitely let me know below what your updates are like. Has it improved your hair? Do you notice any hair growing? Are there any cons to your experience? Be true, be honest. I'm gonna do the same with you guys. But I've seen so many reviews and so many comments and so many testimonials on people vowing by this technique. I'm gonna have faith, y'all. 2020, let's make this the year of faith. But that's it, y'all. That is how you make rice water. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I taught you how to make rice water. For all you guys out there who are on a natural hair journey, I hope this works for you. I hope you learned something new that you didn't know before that'll help expand your experience on this journey you're taking, because it is a difficult one. I'm Qmalikaelise. I'm gonna go get my shit together. Until next time, see you later.